Shiba Inu Coin will be listed on Robinhood soon, and here's why. Make sure to watch to the very end of this video so you find out exactly when Shiba Inu could be listed on Robinhood. And if you guys want to pick up a free stock, check out our link down in the description below for Public. Public is a social investing network app that allows you to sign up and see what other people are buying, selling, and talking about in both the stock and crypto markets. And they just have recently added Shiba Inu Coin, guys. So if you guys want to hop on that app and start trading Shiba Inu, use our link down in the description below, sign up, make an account, and deposit at least $1, and you guys will get a free stock, and you guys can start trading Shiba Inu as well. Make sure to let us know down in the comments below how many Shiba Inu tokens you guys are holding. We do this every video, and every video we're absolutely blown away by the massive amount of support that the Shiba Inu army leaves for us down in the comments below. So let us know how many tokens you guys are holding so we can see just how strong the Shiba Inu army is. We'll pin the comment with the most tokens holding, and it's always impressive to see how many tokens you guys have. But other than that, let's get right into this video. Alrighty guys, what a roller coaster ride it has been if you are a Shib holder, an investor, or even just somebody who's interested in Shib in general. Just the incredible amount of price action that we've seen over the last 24 hours, guys, it's insane. It's actually crazy, but it's also really cool, obviously. We saw yesterday Shib go into all-time highs, almost pretty much touching that 9 level. We were at, I believe, the 8 level at one point. 8.6 seems to be the high, and even if we look at like TradingView, for instance, if we look here at the very top of the candle, we've so close to the 9 level, like 8.7, 8.8 level. And again, we unfortunately did pull back a little bit after that, like going into kind of the evening, we started to pull back significantly. Lots of profit takers, more than likely, that was probably the cause of that. And of course, now we have recovered a little bit here, pushed back up, back to the 7.8 level, and then dumped again back to the 6 level. And now we are currently, as I'm making this video, pumping back up to the 7.3 level. So keeping all of this in mind, guys, Shiba Inu is still pretty much doing very well. We are still up significantly. Even over the last week, we're up at like 170%. And the volume is still really, really good. The volume is still increasing every single day, and we're still seeing a lot of upward momentum to the upside, which is always good news for anything, right? Stock, crypto, whatever it is you're looking at and trying to chart the price of. Again, so I'm still very bullish on this coin and still looking forward to seeing where this coin is headed over the next couple of weeks, because I think if anything, it will head a little bit higher. Now, let's talk about the main thing that everybody wants to know about, everyone wants to talk about in this video, and that's of course Robinhood, right? Robinhood is the obviously biggest part of this video that everybody wants to know something about. So first article here, Robinhood users clamor app to add Shiba Inu. Now this is an obvious one, right? We all know that Robinhood obviously has been under a lot of pressure by the Shiba Inu community to get it to add Shiba Inu to the roster of tradable coins. As you can see here, Robinhood customers have been clamoring for the investing app to add Shiba Inu, the newest meme coin, which has hit all-time highs on Thursday. A Change.org petition went over 300,000 signatures and is asking Robinhood to list the Shib token as it's known. Judging by the meme coin's popularity, Robinhood knows listing it would bring in new accounts. This is what we've been saying forever, but the company appears to be treading carefully around new meme assets, one of the drivers for its success in the past. And that is, to me, one of the reasons why I think it would be such a success, is because Dogecoin, for instance, was the only meme coin, or really the only cryptocurrency that really seemed to matter on that platform that people were actually invested in the first place on that app. And again, a lot of people were going to Robinhood to trade Dogecoin because it was so competitive, right? They were really one of the only brokerages that had Dogecoin, that you could easily access Dogecoin and pick up some on. And of course, during the rally, everybody was hopping in. And now, again, during this rally of Shiba Inu, every other brokerage is profiting and prospering much more than Robinhood is, because Robinhood has yet to list Shiba Inu. So again, guys, I think it is a very good thing that a lot of people and just in general investors are trying to push Robinhood to list this coin. I mean, I think overall it would be very positive for Robinhood to do this. I don't think that really the only downside is that if Shiba Inu were to all of a sudden have a large or huge pullback, which to be honest, I don't really see happening at this point. The volume is up really good. The upward momentum continues to just go crazy unless something absolutely insane happens as far as news, or this coin gets rug pulled somehow. Some terrible piece of news comes out, which I highly doubt will happen. Again, I think this coin will continue to do relatively well. It will continue to establish support at various levels. It might dip back a few times here and there, but again, people who believe in this coin are going to buy the dip anyways. And of course, I think that it will slowly, eventually, gradually increase in value. Now, Let's talk about the most recent Robinhood claim, right? And this is what I think everybody has their eyes on right now. Robinhood to list Shiba Inu on November 1st, 2021 claims coin Momo. So this is pretty much the end all be all, or not end all be all, I guess, but basically something that everybody in our comments has been saying this pretty much every time we make a Robinhood video. Hey, Robinhood is going to list on November 1st. This website says so. And again, guys, coin Momo, I always look at coin Momo because that is pretty much, it's the latest news. It's the latest thing that we've gotten as far as news is concerned with Robinhood. And I did cover this in the last video, but I want to cover it again because I've noticed that it keeps coming up in our comments and people keep talking about it. And it seems to be a very relevant issue, or not issue rather, but a relevant piece of information that a lot of people want to talk about. Now, CoinMomo is just a cryptocurrency trading website. Again, it's not super big, not super popular, but one of the big reasons why it's kind of gaining traction all of a sudden, a lot of people are talking about it, is because of this, right? So here's on the CoinMomo website. Here is Shiba Inu Shib on November 1st, 2021. It says Shiba going to listing on Robinhood exchange. Now, you might be thinking, well, is that exact proof? Like, is that, oh, that's it, curtains closed, we're done, like Shiba Inu will be listed on November 1st. But again, I wonder what they know. CoinMomo has done this in the past, by the way, if you guys aren't really familiar with what they do. We have seen other exchange listings or coin listings on that website, and it's happened in the past where they've guessed right. They've guessed other coin listings, smaller coin listings give it, again, these are coins that maybe I'm not as, a lot of people aren't as more familiar with, but I've seen it happen before when I've read past articles from them, or not articles, but I've seen screenshots similar to this, where it says a certain coin will be listed on a certain platform and then it gets listed. Now, what's interesting about this is that Robinhood, which is obviously a very, very large organization, very large brokerage indeed, is basically, they're making a claim that Robinhood will be listing Shiba Inu. And again, guys, like I say every Robinhood video that we create, I think it is only a matter of time before Robinhood adds Shiba Inu. I don't think it's are they going to add Robinhood? Will they add Robinhood? Will they not add Robinhood? I think they will. I think it's just a matter of time. It's a waiting game at this point. Vlad seems to be trying to be very careful with everything that happened with the meme stock fiasco that we saw with GameStop and AMC and everything in between. I really don't think they want to get sued by the SEC, and I think they're worried about the reputation amongst new investors. They already have lost a significant amount of users because of that whole issue with the meme stocks and everything in between. So again, this is a kind of important proving ground for them. If they can either figure out a way to successfully implement Shiba Inu, which in my opinion, I think they will be able to do that, I think we could see some very, very big gains in Shiba Inu's price, and just overall Robinhood would, I think, succeed very greatly from it. So as far as my opinion about when is Robinhood going to get listed, like, give us a date. What do you think? What is the date? Honestly, so far, because CoinMomo says it, I believe November 1st. I believe November 1st is when Shiba Inu will get listed. You guys remember, like, literally I'm taking like $50 out of my paycheck like every week and just throwing it into Shiba Inu for fun. This is a fun coin for me, right? Like, I'm just putting money into it for fun. I'm trying to get into it while I can, get my position up on the dips, on the highs, on the lows, wherever, just because I believe in this coin long term, and I believe in the fundamentals and the actual use case that this coin has. So again, like, you're probably thinking, well, should I buy like before the Robinhood thing? I can't tell you guys when to buy, but I can tell you my own personal strategy. I just put money in whenever I feel like it, especially on the dips. I love buying on the dips on this coin. I bought a little bit just a couple of hours ago when this coin dipped way more heavily than it's at now. But again, guys, I think that it will consolidate nicely, provide a nice little support here, and hopefully we can continue to go higher. But other than that, guys, that is pretty much it for this coin. Make sure to like the video, subscribe if you're new, hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video like this. If you guys want to pick up a free stock with Public, check out our link down in the description below. Public has just recently added Shiba Inu Coin to their roster of tradable coins. So if you guys want to hop on there and start trading Shiba Inu, use our link down in the description below and use that link and deposit $1 after you make an account. You guys will get a free stock as well. So it's a great win-win for the both of us. You guys get to log on there and do some great stuff indeed. But other than that, guys, that is all I have for you guys today. I'm Kyle with Finance Bro. Take it easy.